Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the bold, italic, underlies, and strike-through features in Indition Forms, Contests, and Surveys. Okay, to use the bold, italic, underline, or strike-through feature when designing your forms is actually a pretty simple process. For example, we will want to bold first name. So to do that, we will click on the first name element. And then on the right side, the element styling panel, we see font style. We have the options bold, italic, underline, and strike through. For this example, we want to bold it. So I will select bold. We see it's saving our design just saved. From this angle, we aren't really able to see a difference, so we will go to the page view and see that first name has been bolded. Now we want to italicize last name. So the same process would apply. We would click on the last name element, then we see font style, and we click the I for italicize. Click it, give it a couple seconds to show the design is saved, and in our form view it shows it has been italicized, but just to make sure we can click page view to see. And we have first name still bolded and last name italicized. And we will go to email, which will be underlined. So again, same process, click email, underline, wait for it to save, and it shows it's been underlined. We also have the option to strike through, but I don't see that option happening a lot. If it really pertains to you, then please feel free to use it. And again, it's the same process. Select an element, click strike through, and it will just have the strike through in the middle of the word. And that's about it. Learn how to bold, italicize, underline, and strike through in Indition Forms, Contests, and Surveys. Hopefully you can use this tool, and thank you for watching.